Your girl Miss Bev is back for another video, my people. Today's Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, and just giving thanks for all things. So your girl is here thanking you guys for all your support. Thanking you for liking the videos, for sharing out the videos. I saw a comment from my sister Ernestine yesterday, beautiful Ernestine, and she listened and she says sharing. So thank you so much in the UK for sharing the videos, and that's how we're going to get people to come to the little channel and to help us grow. Today I've been thinking about this, guys. I had a conversation with somebody on Sunday, and I said I really have to remind us as returning citizens. Again, remember, where there's poverty, there's going to be thieves, there are going to be scammers, there are going to be deceptors or deceptive people. So just when you come home, again, just remember this, that you're coming from a space where you were given opportunities to work, you were given opportunities to retire, you were given the opportunity to gather some wealth of some sort, and then you decide to come home. Keep in mind, my people, that for me sometimes I say it's not that people want to do the bad things, but I think when their backs are against the wall, a lot of young people, they have children to take care of, and they can't even afford to take care of the kids. So a lot of them will have that mindset to want to rob people. It's not right. I'm not saying that it's an okay thing. I'm saying we have to be aware that these things do happen. When you have oppression, when you have this lopsided thing where some are doing so very well, and then so many others are doing so poorly, you're going to have some form of issues. It's never going to be a balance. It's not going to be a good balance. So I'm saying that to tell you this. You come home, you don't drive. A lot of returning residents choose not to drive. It's hard to navigate the streets in Jamaica because of how people drive in Jamaica. That would be another video for you guys to be attentive to think about when you're planning to come. But right now I'm talking about your monies. You come home and you have to hire somebody to go to the bank. Sometimes people recommend people to you. You don't know them. You come into these new areas, and that is why I said sometimes if these areas provide like a shuttle bus to take people into town to get little things done, do their little whatever they want to do, and then bring them back by a certain time. They have to be ready to board the bus to get back in to the compound. That would be a nice thing. I wish I had money. I could create something like that. Like just have like a big bus that comes in and tell them 9 o'clock be here. We'll take you into town. You're going to go do what you have to do, and then we're going to bring you right back into a central point. All right? So you can get a little banking done. Now, when you do your banking, guys, don't because you have the money. A lot of people have money but don't know how to handle the money. A lot of people have money and they become frightened. You're like, oh, because if you have a few dollars and you come to Jamaica, it change over, you become a millionaire. Some people don't understand that. It's not like you left your country with a certain amount and you come to another country where the currency has such a lower value. So whatever you come with from England or Canada or the United States, it's going to look huge in your account. But remember, you're taking out and not putting back in. It's going to, by the time you look, it's gone. So what happened, there's a lady who came home and she found a taxi, a person who she would travel with to get things done. She takes him, she goes in. Maybe she was talking too much. I don't know what happened. But he took her to the bank. By the time she leaves the bank and they were on their way home, they got held up. They robbed her 900,000, gone. Went back again, another time, long time after that. She went back again, she drew 300,000. By the time again they leave out, that money was stolen. All of a sudden the guy got robbed, and they stage it to make it look real, so they might hit him a few times or what have you. Money gone again. So somebody advised her that the next time she goes to the bank, pretend like she goes in and draw money. But when she comes out of the bank, have a pre-packaged packet thing that when she comes out of the bank, she just bring it out and make it look like she did draw money and just put it down in the vehicle and see what happens. She set up with the police. Of course, as soon as she come out the bank, they start driving home again. They got robbed again. Right? This time the police was aware of what was going on. They had suspicion of the guy, like, why? All the other time she goes in to do things, no robbery. But every time she draw money, the money is just, there's a robbery. Oops, I'm sorry. That was good to clear the lungs, right? It's good coughing, it's good. I'm sorry. So when they pounced upon them, the police was ready, man. The police was ready. Come to find out, the guy was setting up these people to come to rob the woman and then him get him share. So I'm just saying to you guys, just as I said before, not every kintita laugh, and everybody will come and laugh with you, and oh my God, it means that they mean you well. Where there are struggles, you're going to have people with alternate thoughts, thoughts of, boy, I can't even feed my picnic, and boy, I can't even pay the bill, boy, I can't even, so many people are stealing the electricity. Why? They want to watch TV, they want whatever they want, and can't afford it because of how high the cost of things are, right? So people are coming home who can afford to pay these bills, and they are making it the norm for everyone across the island, and it is not the norm because many cannot afford it. A lot of people, when you look at what they're getting paid in these establishments that are making multi-millions of dollars, it is shameful. And so you wonder why the cops have to hustle. You wonder why nurses or business places collecting money under the table. Because them salaried people are not paying them adequate salary to match the vast amount of money being charged for the services that are offered on the island. So that was just something today, guys. Short and sweet, right? Not too long, didn't chat too long, but just be careful. I come home and I know that I must use a card to do everything. I go to the supermarket, here's my card. I don't go much places. I don't do much of anything. I'm cool. I'm easy. I've never been somebody to do, hey, let's go here, oh, let's go there, oh, I can sit still. Oh. I'm comfortable in my space, guys. You don't have to worry about Miss Bev. So when I go in, I know I'm going to the supermarket, I need to get some this and that. Here's my card. So I don't draw money and keep money in the house. I don't get carried away like that. I'm not, I have nowhere going. I'm not, there's nothing. So I don't need to go draw money, put it down in the house to entice anybody to come, because I don't have it to entice anybody. So just be careful. Don't go out there drawing large sums of money because this or that. Don't do it. If you are dealing with people who you need to pay large sums of money to, get their account information, transfer the money to the account. Transfer the money to the account. If anybody needs to pay you for something, let them transfer it to your account. Don't sit there handling big bucks of money and don't think that the same people who pay you might come right back around the corner and send them friend to come take it back from you. Don't be so trusting. Use your card, transfer what you need to transfer, and be done with it. Don't do any business and say, oh, I'm collecting this a week time, I'm collecting. No. Let them put it in an account and be done. Don't handle money. Money is the root of evil. Money creates a lot of problems. So if you don't have to handle it, don't handle it. Make it a great day by choice, my people. Much love and respect. Mwah. Take good care of yourselves. Miss Bev says, if it can be good, be careful, but let us continue onwards and upwards. All right?